So this is what's going to be your new routine. You're going to go to the gym and you're maybe going to warm up on some cardio for 3 to 5 minutes at the most. It's actually a little bit better to use your weight training exercises as a warm up. So for your first 1 or 2 exercises, take your first set or two and do half the amount of weight you would normally do. It'll serve as a warm up of moving your muscles through the range of motion they're about to do, which is what a warm up is. So then you're going to go through your exercises and you'll do anywhere from 2 to 3 sets because, that first set was kind of a warm up one. So you want to keep your repetitions mostly around 8. You can go as low as 6, as high as 10, but you want to be working intensely enough so that when you get to that 8th repetition, you are really focusing, you're working, you're really challenging those muscles, because that's going to deplete those carb stores and that's going to help you get into your fat burning mode faster. So when it comes to your last rep, you want it to feel like it's your last rep. Intensity matters, and you want your muscle to feel like it could not do another movement without cheating. Don't worry, you won't build bulk, but you will impact your metabolism and shape your muscles. When it comes to your rest periods, you want to rest maybe 30 seconds in between each set, and then from one exercise to the next, don't rest at all. Just go over there, get it set up, and get started. You'll probably end up having about 30 seconds to a minute anyway. So in terms of exercises, you want to shoot for the large body parts, legs, back, chest. Those are going to burn more glycogen stores faster, and they're going to help you boost your metabolism too. If you're focusing on small muscle groups like the inner outer thigh machine, which is a waste of time, but that's another subject, biceps, triceps, and shoulders, yeah, those are great to work. They're going to get worked in directly with the larger ones, and they're small muscles, so they're not going to do as much for your metabolism. And that's what we're looking for here, to increase your metabolism so you burn more calories all day long so you can lose weight and keep it off. So the cool thing is you'll actually be burning more fat in less time. And by the way, if you've learned something and you find value in this video, please click the like button. Okay, one final review. We have weights and then cardio. We have challenging ourselves when you're doing the weight training, making sure that last rep is your last rep, and then making sure you're also doing proper form. If you're not familiar with form on some of the larger body part exercises, invest in some time with a trainer. Have them show you what to do and what to focus on and how to do it properly. That's information and knowledge that you'll keep the rest of your life, and it definitely is worth the investment. So working out smarter means doing weight training first, using the exercise that primes your body for fat burning, and then getting the fat burning. That's how you truly get into your fat burning mode.